The expression 12-bar blues is a term that musicians use to describe the chord structure of the most common form of blues verse. But what does that mean? Well, bar is just another way of describing 4 beats of blues music. 1, 2, 3, 4. So a 12-bar blues is a chord structure that repeats itself every 48 beats. 12 4-beat bars, 12 times 4 equals 48. Each 12-bar blues verse is made up of 3 chords played in a very specific order. That's our chord structure. The expression chord simply means notes that sound right when they're played together. Fortunately for us, anywhere we can put our mouth down on the harmonica and breathe in or out, we get a chord. There are lots of different types of names used to describe chords, from letter names like G, C, and D, to Roman numeral names like first, fourth, and fifth, to Latin names, which I prefer, like tonic, subdominant, and dominant. Let's learn these 3 names. The tonic chord is simply our old friend, the 1, 2, 3 in chord. The subdominant chord is our 3, 4 out chord. And the dominant chord is our 3, 4, 5 or 4, 5 in chord. When we use these chords to put together a blues structure, we get what is called cross or second position blues. All chord structure means is that these chords are put together in a certain order, each played for a certain amount of time, exactly as described in this chart here. The word turnaround at the bottom of the chart simply describes a small chunk of dominant from 2 to 4 beats that informs the listener that one verse is ending and the next verse is about to begin. It's considered more subtle than yelling out, "Hey, this verse is over." After the count of 4, I'm going to sing my way through a 12-bar blues verse. Watch the chart and make sure you can hear when one verse is over and another begins and when each chord change occurs. Rewind and watch this section a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tonic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Subdominant 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to the tonic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out to dominant 2, 3, 4. Subdominant 2, 3, 4. Back to the tonic 2, 3, 4 with a turn around. New verse. Tonic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. That's the blues structure. That 12-bar structure sure sounds good, so let's play it on our harmonicas. Let's practice the 1, 2, 3 in chord, tonic, 3, 4, 5 out, for subdominant, 4, 5 in for dominant. Once again. Let's add a little rhythm by doing 3 beats of the chord and then 1 beat of silence, like this on the tonic. Be percussive and forceful in your breathing. Don't breathe out through your harmonica. We'll do that all the way through the first verse of our 12-bar blues on the harmonica. In the second verse, we'll apply a da-da-da-da-da rhythm. Let's practice a da-da-da-da-da rhythm on the 3, 4, and 5 out chord. Da-da-da-da-da. Breathe. Breathe. You're going to have to take a good, deep in-breath in between each one so you have lots of air to force it out percussively, get a nice tight fit of harmonica in your lips. Now, let's work on a da-da-da-da-da on the 1, 2, 3 in. Nose shut, tongue slaps against the roof of the mouth, leach to sound. Start empty. And breathe. And breathe. Just watch the notation and you'll play your way through 2 verses of the 12-bar blues on your harmonica. If you can't do the dadas yet, just use until you can get them. But work on them. Here we go at the count of 4. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Our first harmonica blues. Go back and play a few hundred 12-bar blues on your harmonica. Be forceful and percussive in your breathing. Get a good seal for your harmonica in your mouth, upper lip way on top, lower lip way under, and play those blues. From now on, the information's going to flow a bit faster, so remember, use that rewind button and take it away.